Pansit yan eh. Hey guys, so naka-board na kami dito sa aeroplano papuntang Philippines. So nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai. And shoutout ka pala sa mga kasama ko dati sa barko. Welcome aboard. I am Dextination. So for today's vlog guys, nandito kami sa Colombo, Sri Lanka. And mag-check-in na kami guys. Tingnan nyo guys, nakapila. Yan. Say hi. So mag-check-in kami ngayon guys. So yan guys, nakapila na kami for check-in. And medyo mahaba lang yung pila. And inabot kami ng almost 1 hour bago naka-check-in. And na-notice ko, dumarami na yung mga traveler and mga tourist. Dahil siguro maluwag na yung travel restriction ngayon. And ganito yung itsura ng airport dito sa Colombo, Sri Lanka. Maliit lang siya pero kompleto na guys. And after completing our boarding requirements, we're good to go. See you in a bit, Dubai!
Welcome aboard, sir.
So our first flight will be Colombo to Dubai and it will take 4 hours and 30 minutes. So if you want to charge your phone, pwede dahil each seat merong USB charging port. And let's check kung ano yung pwedeng libangan dito sa aeroplano since medyo mahaba yung 4 hours and 30 minutes. So first, you can check here the flight information. And for entertainment, sobrang daming option. First, we'll check movies. So, new releases. Yan guys, sobrang daming movies na available. So, pwede mag-movie marathon dito. And sobrang dami guys. And marami pa. And more. So, hindi ka maboboard dito guys. And let's check the music section. Wow, sobrang daming playlist. So, let's check UK chart #1 hits. Yan guys. So, pwedeng mag-senti, laslas pulso habang nakikinig sa mga sentimental music. And let's check ICE TV Live. So yan guys, pwedeng manood ng CNN International, BBC News. And for television, yan guys, marami din option. Documentaries, drama, HBO Max. So check natin. Yan guys, sobrang daming options and hindi ka talaga maboboard. So today's flight. So, dyan guys, nandyan yung information, flight number, so Colombo to Dubai, aircraft type, altitude, and time to destination. And pwede din mag-shopping all throughout the flight kasi meron silang online brochure. So, you can check there kung ano yung mga available na mga items. So, from perfume to electronics and more. And we're good to go. See you in a bit, Dubai! And for meal, there are 2 options. Meron silang chicken penny and seafoods. So, yung pinili ko guys, chicken penny. And masarap yung mousse cake guys. But this chicken penny is not bad. Pwede na. And after 4 hours and 30 minutes na good flight, welcome to Dubai. And ang Dubai Airport guys ay isa sa mga airport na napuntahan ko na sobrang naa-amaze ako, sobrang nagagandahan ako. Feeling ko hindi ako maboboard kakaikot dito sa airport na to. Napakalaki ng duty free, napakaraming store, and sobrang mura ng mga bilihin guys. Napaka well organized ng airport, pwedeng matulog, kumain, and of course, mag-shopping kung maraming pera. And maganda mamili ng gold dito sa Dubai guys, since kilala nga naman yung Dubai dahil sa kanilang mga gold. And I think the price of their gold is lesser compared sa ibang country. And yung quality talaga guys, napakaganda. Pero yun lang, wala akong pera. So tingin-tingin lang muna tayo guys. Though shopping lang muna ang tito nyo guys. And 1 hour lang yung layover namin dito sa Dubai. So hahanapin ko pa yung boarding gate. So wala nang time mamili guys. And timing nung nakita ko na yung boarding gate. So yun guys, boarding na, muntik na yung tito nyo. Hey guys, so nakaboard na kami dito sa aeroplano papuntang Philippines. So nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai. And shoutout nga pala sa mga kasama ko dati sa barko. Dante Katubag, magpapa-shoutout, and sa wife niya, Annabelle, and sa buong family nila. And to my friend, Randy Ricarse, na nasa Amsterdam ngayon. Shoutout sa'yo, Rands.
Dubai champion.
Fly high, butterfly.
Hi guys.
Hi vlog. Hi guys.
Shoutout.
Hi everyone.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko, hindi nila alam pauwi ako. Shoutout, magkakatabi kaming 4 guys.
Goodbye Dubai. See you in a bit, Philippines. And travel time, aabutin lang siguro ng 8 hours. So guys, since boring, yan guys yung mga libangan. So mga matatalino guys, who wants to be millionaire yung nilalaro.
Elton John is known for playing his instrument. Guitar.
Hindi Yano, Elton John.
Ayun na, malipat.
Soft touch.
Hindi,
Bro.
So guys, kain tayo. Masarap?
Yes. The best.
Ano ba naman yan?
Ano yun sa? Parang brick puff.
Mini Muppets.
So guys, nagkalat na guys.
Muppets.
Cream puff yan. Coffee. Oh yeah, it's cream puff. So yun guys, tapos na pag basta sarap.
Love the experience.
Students.
Pansit yan eh. Pansit ano lang yan eh, pansit canton. And yung kinain ni Neil is fish yakisoba. And yung pinili ko naman is itong scrambled egg with hash brown. Lasang
Pati kanton.
Wala kaming masyadong ginawa all throughout the flight. Feeling ko nag-food trip lang kami. And after almost 8 hours of long and super busog na flight, welcome to the Philippines. At last, welcome to the Philippines. Mabuhay.